In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for medical practice topics, fast and easy. First things first, let's get started by heading over to Google Trends. You can simply do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Trends into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see Google Trends at the very top of the search results. Go ahead and click on the first link to enter the platform. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, click on the Explore option. This will take you to a section where you can begin your research. Now, when it comes to exploring medical practice topics, it's essential to start with broad keywords. These should relate directly to the services your practice offers. For instance, you could enter keywords like pediatrician, dermatologist, physical therapy, or dental implants. After entering your keywords, click that Enter key, and let's dive into the world of search trends. Next, it's all about setting your filters to fine-tune the data you're interested in. Start by choosing your location. This could be your city, state, or region, matching where your patients are located. Then, move on to setting the time range. If you're looking for consistent demand, check the data from the last 12 months. For spotting new trends, the last 30 or 90 days can provide fresh insights. For category, stick to options like health or medical health to filter out irrelevant results. And don't forget the search type. Usually, web search is adequate, but feel free to try news search for updates on medical topics or regulations. Now, let's look at the interest over time graph. Here, you're going to see whether interest in specific topics is steady, has seasonal spikes, or is declining. For example, flu shots might see a surge in interest during the fall, while an allergy doctor search may rise in spring. Knowing this helps you time your content and marketing efforts effectively. Scrolling down further, you'll come across the Related Queries section. This is a treasure trove of potential topics for content creation. Look into both rising and top queries to spot high-intent searches. Examples might include skin cancer screening near me, best pediatrician for newborns, or physical therapy after knee surgery. These keywords can inspire landing pages, blog posts, or even ads. If you want to expand your research, you can compare related topics by clicking on the plus icon. Type in a new topic name, hit enter, and you'll see how it fares in comparison. This can be especially useful for gauging the relative interest of different services you offer. Finally, don't forget to export your findings. By clicking on the Download CSV option, you can save all related queries to your device. Organizing them into a spreadsheet allows you to build a comprehensive content plan, covering blogs, social media, ads, and landing pages. And that's how you can leverage Google Trends to get ahead in your medical practice topics. I hope you found this guide useful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring those trends.